LensVid's coverage of IBC 2024 is brought to you by Small Rig, Big Dreams, and Hollyland, made to inspire.
This is the new C100, so the first ever pixel tube by Zhiyun CINEPEER. As you can see, if you take off the diffuser, has 96 individual LEDs. The RGB and also CCT color temperature is changeable. And when it comes to pixel effects, you have built-in effects, the typical HSI, RGB correction, and then you have pixel art effects. So you can switch through the different color effects, color cycle. You can also do one color chases, and you can see pixel walks through. So it's perfect for example, if you're doing car chase scenes, or you can also do a 2 chase and also 3 chase, and the classic rainbow. This pictures full RGB, so you can go 100 watts with the even with RGB. So normally you have 100 watts only in the CCT range, but this one also features 100 watts in the color range. So you can go full with the, if you go back to HSI, right here, can go full power with, for example, red, and this full 100 watts red. You have a mode button, you have a power button, and then you have the selection and the adjust. But there's also an app. So with the app, you can switch between RGB, HSI, CCT range, and the effects control to the app will come in the future update. So you have this attachment point, and you have this one, and there's also this clamp, which has an attachment point here and here, and you clamp it on the battery like that, and then if you have strong connection, so you can add a baby pin, for example, and add it to a C stand, or add a magnet and add it there. And there are also multi-connector accessories where you can add them here, and with a quick release attach multiple lights to another. So, but these are the multi-connector features, an additional accessory you have to get.